To turn on professional mode on Facebook, start by logging into your Facebook account and navigating to your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, click on the Edit Profile button, which is usually located at the top right corner of your profile picture. In the Edit Profile section, you will see an option that says Professional Mode. Click on it and select Turn On. This will prompt a pop-up that will ask you to confirm that you want to turn on professional mode. Click Confirm to proceed. Turning on professional mode will allow you to monetize your public content, access features that help you grow your audience, and get insights about your reach and engagement. You will also be able to add a professional dashboard to your profile, where you can track your performance and access monetization tools. To access the professional dashboard, navigate to your profile page and click on the Professional Dashboard tab, which is usually located at the top of your profile page. In the Professional Dashboard, you will see an overview of your performance, including your reach, engagement, and earnings. To get the most out of professional mode, make sure to post high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, and use Facebook's monetization tools to earn money from your content. It is also important to note that to be eligible for professional mode, your Facebook account must comply with Facebook's terms of service and community standards, and your profile must be public and have at least one post. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully turn on professional mode on Facebook and start growing your online presence and earning money from your content.